Iziseko ezingundoqo ezifana neziko loluntu i-Allen Ridge kunye nebala lezemidlalo eThembani zezinye zendawo ezikwimeko engaxolisiyo eKariega. Umgqatswa kwisithuba sokuba yinkulubaphathiswa ye-Action SA eMpuma Kapa u-U-Trollip uthi njengombutho bazokuqinisekisa ukuba eli phondo liyaphucuka nelizwe ngokunjalo.
We've had enough. We're not going to continue tolerating. Ons gaan nie meer verdraagsaam wees. Siyekile ukunyamezela imeko ezinje. So says misele baglonyulo ozayo. We're going to go to every single corner of this province and encourage people, like these young people here and Mr. Swart, who knows this hall intimately. We're going to encourage those people to say, we want to fix this place. You know, the president spoke about u-Tinswalo. U-Tinswalo upila ubomunjena up Eastern Cape. Agana holo. U-Tinswalo xa zapha hama le ndlela, it's Kamesh Road. It used to be the most beautiful. 30 years ago, the verges were trimmed. It looked like a cricket field. The lights were on. There were speed traps. Now there are no lights, no speed traps. The verges are a mess. Behind me there's a sports field at Temban, completely stripped. U-Tinswalo yena xa ufuna uyodlala funeka aye kwibala elinjalo. So we're going to encourage South Africans to say we can't carry on doing the same thing over and over again, relying on the same government to renew themselves. How many times have they said they're going to renew themselves? Asizobalindela. We're now going to do it for ourselves.
Oosomashishini baseKariega bajongene nemingeni emininzi equka ulwaphulomthetho kunye nocimicimi nothe wanefuthe elibi kumashishini abo. Bathi badikiwe zizithembiso zikarhulumente ezingade zifezekiswe. Kungoku nje abasomashishini bathi ukuzimanya ne-Action SA kuza kuvuselela ithemba kubahlali bale dolophu.
We are ready to take action as business. We had enough of crime. We had enough of load shedding. We have enough of non-service delivery. We also have another concern, and it's our youth. Our youth are not being given enough opportunities, and I think as business we can play a huge role in guiding the young youth, and that's why we're very involved in school with the education with schools, doing renovations, and we're doing motivational talks. We're looking at how best we can be that guide that they are looking for. So yes, business has got a role to play, and now we're just going to action that role, and we found the proper mechanism now, and that is Action SA, to then get this thing going and then put now action to the word.
Le dolophu yenye yendawo zeliphondo ezinezinga eliphezulu lolwaphulomthetho. Usomashishini wale ndawo uShawena uthi le dolophu idinga umbutho ofana ne-Action SA oza kuzisa amathuba engqesho kulutsha kwaye ulwe nolwaphulomthetho.
At the heart of it is also families. There's a disconnect between families, and we need to get back to where the value system is being implemented in the families. But by and large, the big problem is that there's no stimulus programs, no programs to stimulate these young people. So there's a lack of institutions that bring programs to these young people. You know, there's a saying that says idle hands is the devil's workplace, and this is exactly what it is. You find these youngsters standing at street corners, and before you know it, they become, like I said earlier on, just 2 or 3 of them hanging out there, numbers increase, and then before you know it, they're a gang. And this is the problem, and we need to start looking at how this can be fixed. And I think a very important role as political parties is to start looking at solutions and bringing communities together to try and solve these problems. I think political parties have a big if you solve that problem at its root, you know, then you're going to start. And also, like I said, once again, bringing opportunities to our communities. It's very important. Not only to certain people that are aligned politically, but I believe that Action SA stands for everyone.
Lo mbutho uthi uzimisele ukuza notshintsho oludingekayo oluza kuthi luphucule impilo zabantu. Kwindaba se-MPK TV, u-Sinaye Ntshundu, eKariega.